We have a shrub on our farm. It has shiny leaves, very sharp, large thorns, and fruit that looks like a lime you'd buy in the store. What is it? Someone told me that it is a wild lime bush. And this is Kathy from Riceville, Tennessee. Okay. So I think we might know what that is, don't we?
I think so.
What do you think it is?
I think it's Trifoliate orange, probably.
That's what we think as well, right?
Yeah, that's right. But she mentioned the wild lime bush, and I know it can't be that because that's zone 9 through 11. That's the South Florida kind of tropical area plant that would be found out in the wild. So that's not going to be found here.
Right.
But that's what we called it when I was growing up. We had one that grew out.
Oh, really?
Okay.
It grew out right behind the outhouse, and it did really well. And we called them wild lime. And I didn't, until I moved down to Mobile and started working with the fruit industry, realize what it was. And it is actually, what happened, somebody probably went on vacation to Florida and bought them an orange or a lime or something, because it is actually, they're grafted, a grafting rootstock for a lot of the citrus. I think it's Citrus trifoliata is the genus species name of it. And it probably died back, froze out, because it is one of the most hardy of the citrus plants, and it's commonly used by satsumas and things that are grown kind of in more northern areas in the citrus industry. But it has spread. I mean, our family farm is 100 miles north of Memphis, and it has literally spread over that farm. It's not quite as bad as privet, but almost as bad.
Wow.
And it's made hedges that are basically impenetrable. Deer can't get through it. You know, it's just it's spread. But I know when I worked down in Mobile, I carried some of the fruit down there, and a couple of the growers that were grafting satsumas used some of that rootstock. And hopefully that's some pretty cold hardy satsumas down there on the Gulf Coast now because of that. But Trifoliate orange, it's not a wild lime. We called it a wild lime. It looked like a lime. The fruit really looks like a lime, but it doesn't smell or taste like a lime. You know.
Wow. How about that? The things you learn just sitting here.
I know.
Oh, Mr. D is
It's
good.
great.
Huh? That's good stuff. But it doesn't taste like a lime, he says.
It doesn't taste like a lime.
I heard somebody say you had to pour a lot of sugar to it. To make it taste like something decent.
I don't think I ever had enough sugar to do that.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.